Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can report a pin for a privacy violation of a personal picture on Pinterest. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Now, tap on the pin which you want to report. After that, select three dots icon. Then, tap on the report option. Here, you will find privacy violation option. Tap on it and then select on the second option. This is a private photo. After that, tap on the report button and that's it. This is how you can report a pin for privacy violation of a private photo on Pinterest.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.